It is difficult to manage your own social media post designs, and it can be quite frustrating to work with pro softwares to design social media posts if you have not done this before. In this video, I am going to walk you through step by step about creating social media post designs using Canva and how to publish those posts directly from Canva to your social media accounts. Let's get started. Click on Social Media from Canva home screen and select the type of social media post you want to create. One of the coolest features of using Canva is the Content Planner. If you want to create a calendar specifically for upcoming events and social media postings for your reference, you can click on the Content Planner so you can keep a track and manage it from here. If I want to add an upcoming event, I will go ahead and add it to my Content Planner. And if I want to come back and look at this at a later time, I can click on it and automatically I'm getting designs that I can create to help promote the event. For now, I'm going to go back to the main home screen and click on social media. And now I'm going to choose the type of social media posting I want to create. Today, I'm going to work on a Facebook post. We are now at a blank Canva template and we are ready to create. Go up here to the magnifying glass and begin to look for a search term that is relevant for your upcoming social media post. In this case, I am going to search for Valentine's Day. Whatever you type in, you are likely to get hundreds, if not thousands of pre-designed templates for you to use. Most of these are free for anyone to come to Canva and utilize. Although you will notice that some of the templates do have a crown and it says Pro on it. In order to use these templates, you need to be a Canva Pro subscriber. Let's go ahead and continue to scroll to find one that I like the most and fits my requirements. Remember that every template on Canva can be easily customized and edited, so if not everything makes sense when selecting a template, that's okay. We are going to go ahead and make edits to customize the design anyway. I'm happy with this image. Let's go ahead and customize it for my social media posting. Since I want to advertise Valentine's Day, the first thing I'm going to do is select any text that I might want to delete completely by clicking on it and then pressing the delete icon here. I want to continue to use this text. I can edit this text, change font, and font size. Here I want to change the type of font being used. You can highlight, come up to the top, and then see all of your various font options. You can click on them to get a preview of what the font looks like. Once you find the font that you are happy with, you can go ahead and select the font for your template. And you can add additional colors and effects. If you want to adjust the text color, come on up here to the top and you can click on various colors to preview. If you decide you want to go back, go ahead to the top of the screen and click the undo arrow. I am now ready to add additional text to my template. Over here on the left hand side, I am going to click on text and add a subheading. You can then go ahead and type in anything you wish. In my case, I am going to advertise Valentine's Day and add a quote, wishing you a beautiful day filled with all the love and happiness you deserve. Similar to before, you can go ahead and highlight your text and see the types of fonts available for you. What's handy is at the top of the screen includes the fonts that you previously used in this template. You can then change the font size, the color, make it bold or underline, whichever works with you. The last step before you are ready to save your image and share it on social media is to make any additional adjustments that you want. Go ahead, adjust the text, the size, the color, whatever you want in order to make this social media post exactly what you were thinking. Once you are ready, go ahead to the top left of the screen, click on File and Save. Canva also saves all of your work automatically. The next step is to share it on social media. Go ahead to the top right of the screen and click on Share. You have a few options for sharing and publishing your social media post. My recommendation is to link your Facebook account to your Canva account. This allows you to publish your post within the Canva environment. If you do not want to link your Facebook page to your Canva account, the other option is to click on Download. You can then download the image to your computer and publish on your Facebook page. You are now designing social media posts just like a professional. If this video was helpful to you, please like and consider subscribing.